How to set up an Instagram account. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we have an exciting topic to cover. How to set up an Instagram shop. So without further ado, let's dive into this tutorial. So let's click on Instagram shop right here. Hit on that. So here, let's click on Instagram shop, start selling anywhere. So here guys, shop is a powerful feature that allows business to showcase, to sell your products directly on Instagram platform. So if you're a business owner or an aspiring entrepreneur, having an Instagram shop can significantly boost your sales and expand your customer reach. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up an Instagram shop, including connecting your Instagram account to Facebook page, adding product tags, and managing your shop. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level on Instagram, let's dive in guys in this tutorial. So here you will see, start your own Instagram shop. Use Shopify to create and customize, manage your Instagram shop. So here, let's click on start free trial. Let's get started, which is the best of these best describes you. So let's click on I'm just starting. And where would you like to sell? An online store, an existing website or blog, online marketplace, social media, or in person. So we will be adding here social media. So which social channels do you want to sell on? So we will be choosing Instagram and hit on next. What do you plan to sell first? So pick you want to start with and will help you stock to your store. So if you want to sell products I buy or make myself, drop shipping products, print on demand products, services, or digital products. But for me, I'm gonna be using drop shipping products. So hit on next. So create a Shopify ID. So I'm gonna continue with my Google. So it may be differ guys on how you would like to set up your account, but for me, for the ease of this tutorial, I'm gonna add my Google account. For tutorial purposes now, Shopify offers the best converting checkouts, and with ShopPay you can convert 50% better than standard checkout. So here you will see that the Shopify is now setting up our Instagram account. So let's just wait for this to finish loading. So once it finished loading, it is now building our store. So let's wait for this to interact with us. As you can see, you can now have this setting of Facebook and Instagram. So let's click on that one. Let's just wait for it to load. So here, you have to finish installing this one. So update sales channel, Facebook and Instagram right here. Update sales channel. And now, let's wait for this to load. Let's try to refresh it. Click on this Facebook and Instagram again. Let's add apps. App Store. Let's type in Instagram shop. Right here. Hit enter. So you're here, you will be installing Instagram Shop and Facebook Shop. So click on this one, click on Add App, and let's wait for this to load. Once you've done with that, let's click on Install App again. Let's wait for it to load, and you can now have this view settings once this page loads up. So here you will see how it works. So you can see current plan trial, can upgrade it. For the free trial is just for 2 days, so you have to register it. So shoppable post. The selling automation will DM the purchase link to commenters when they add comment to your post. Here. So see, set up shoppable posts, no social accounts connected. So let's click on Instagram. Log in your Instagram account. And now, once you've added it, you can now add auto post campaigns right here. Post is schedule and shoppable post right here. So custom automation templates. You can have now add the template, but make sure guys to link your Instagram account to your Shopify account like this one. So in the setting, remember to install all those 2 apps that we've already mentioned earlier. Auto post products to social. Post your products to your social accounts automatically on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media platforms. So social post planner and scheduler. VCL social post planner and scheduler designed to simplify your day. So you can post it right here. Connect your Shopify and Instagram account, and you are good to go. We hope you find this tutorial on how to set up an Instagram shop informative and helpful. Instagram Shop provides seamless shopping experience for your customer and allows you to showcase products in a visually appealing way. And guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tutorials. And always, thanks for watching guys, and we will see you on the next video.